Hey friends, Gary Owen here with the Gary Owen team, Coldwell Banker Realtors, coming to you with our monthly market update for December. Just a quick video for you to show you a few quick highlights to help bring you up to speed with what we're seeing. Now, starting back last week, some of you probably saw a couple of local media reports that talked about declining home prices in Lubbock, and it's just not really reality. We'll show you that in just a minute. They're quoting a source from Realtor.com who was looking back at listing prices, not actual sold prices. So let's look at reality. Going back 5 years to this year, back in 2018, just a hair under $200,000 for the average home price. This year, year to date, we're sitting at $284,600, which is just a hair higher than last year, despite the fact that we're down about 6.5% in home sales, which is not uncommon even nationally. We're still, like many of the national markets, seeing average home prices moving up. So don't let the media fool you to think that we're in some kind of crisis as far as the market goes. It's interesting that the overall activity has been off some, but prices are still going up. So that's the trend of the current prices here in Lubbock. We expect that to continue. As we look at the under contract activity year to date so far, we see the normal trend. First half of the year starts off a bit slower, gets higher as you get into the peak selling season. By the way, April is our peak month for number of homes going under contract, and then starts coming down. What is interesting though this year is normally you'll see a similar trend line going down the last half of the year. We had a pretty good drop from July to August, but it's pretty much held steady here the last quarter of the year in terms of home sales, despite us hitting that 8% range for interest rates as we got towards the end of the year here. Now, as far as interest rates go, as we track it this year, on average per month, started off the year about 6.25%, got up around 8% here in the October range. Now we're trending down. Projected to be about 7% here for the month of December. So rates have come down already about 1%, and even more with some lenders since we hit the peak of 8% around October. So overall, the market is doing well. If you have any specific questions about your home, about real estate in general, the market in general, or just any other needs you might have from a real estate perspective, we're always just a phone call or a text away. Reach out to us, and if we don't talk to you beforehand, hope you have a great remainder of your holiday season.